Series and parallel connections. Okay, so after the series and parallel connections, we'll discuss about your capacitors, which is cylinder, and as well as your spherical capacitors. We'll discuss those things. Okay, so before that, okay. So what is the relation between capacitor and voltage? Relation between capacitor and voltage. Anyone?
C is equal to Q by V.
Okay, Q is equal to CV, C is equal to Q by V. Okay, good. Okay, and what is the capacitance for parallel plate capacitor? Anyone?
Epsilon naught A by D.
Epsilon naught A by D. Good. Have you seen that isolated spherical capacitor?
No, sir.
No, I told you that. First of all, we'll discuss this. I think I have discussed only the isolated. Then only we have seen that parallel plate. Isolated spherical capacitor.
Yes, sir. We didn't see the spherical capacitor. Sorry.
Spherical capacitor is different. Isolated spherical capacitor. Isolated spherical capacitor C is equal to 4 pi epsilon naught R. Okay. Then anyone, what is the unit for C? Unit for C capacitor?
Farad.
Farad. Okay, good. Farad. Okay. And what is the electric field between the two parallel plate capacitors? Electric field between the two parallel plate capacitors?
Sigma by epsilon naught.
Sigma by epsilon naught. Good. So what is the electric field for single plate capacitor? Single plate surface charge density for the single plate. So two parallel plates on the electric field E is equal to sigma by epsilon naught. For one single plate, electric field E is equal to sigma by 2 epsilon.
By 2 epsilon.
Okay. So let's see the relations. So okay. So in last class, have you seen the formulas for series and parallel capacitance? So what is the formula for series? No. Okay.
No.
Okay, good. No issues. We'll start from that, and I'll turn off my video. Let's see. So before that, we'll do some problems on this series, that is capacitors and all. Then after that, we'll see. 1 minute. So can you able to see the PDF? Is it visible, ma?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, ma. Good. Okay. Let's just do the first problem. Question number 44. I'm just displaying that question. So please take the question. Question number 44. Ma. Question number 44. Okay, please take the question, ma. So try to get the data. So try to find it. So you already know the relations here. So we need to find the capacitance of the capacitor. Please do it. If you don't know, I'll help you with that. Anyone got the answer?
(1.6 into 10 to the power minus 8). Sir?
Answer is correct only, ma. So answer is 1.6 into 10 power minus 8 farad. So those who don't know, please see that. So I'm just doing this answer. So let's see. So here in this question, so they have given the electrons. They have given sorry, ma, really sorry. Some network issues. It was continuously disconnecting. Okay, so here I'll just write here again. So please see the answers. Okay, so here they have given charge. So charge Q is equal to Ne. So we'll find the charge from this relation. It is 1 into 10 power 12 into 1.6 into 10 power minus 19. And we know the voltage. Voltage is nothing but your potential difference, which is your 10 volts. Okay, and we need to find the capacitance. Capacitance C is equal to Q by V, which is equal to 1.6 into, here if you see that charge is nothing but your 1.6 into 10 power minus 7 divided by 10. So the answer is 1.6 into 10 power minus 8 farad. Okay, remember this relation, please take it. So those who didn't do. So if you have any doubt, please let me know. So then we'll do the next question. Please take this one. If you completed, please let me know. We'll go to the next question. Others, so கொஞ்சம் reply பண்ணா நல்லா இருக்குமா. If you have any doubts also, please reply, chat it, or you can talk to me also. Others? Yes, ma. Okay, good. So let's see one more question. One more, I'm just deleting it. So let's see one more question. So this is related to your parallel cut capacitor. So what are the question I'm discussing? It is related to your parallel cut capacitor. Question number 48. Question number 48. Question number 48. Please take it. So I'll reply, I'll read the question. You can check it. So here if you see the two parallel plate air capacitors has their plates areas they have given. Area of the first plate is 100, area of the second plate is 500 centimeters square. If they have the same charge and potential and the distance between the plates of the first capacitor is 0.5 meters, and what is the distance between the plates of the second capacitor? So there are two capacitors, so the areas கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. First capacitor oda distance கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. I'll take this one as D1, and we need to find the distance D2 for the second plate capacitor. So here, if you see that they have given same charge and potential, same charge and potential and so on. The formula another C is equal to Q by V. Same charge and potential. If same charge and potential is there for both the capacitors or so on, what will happen? C1 and C2 rendu same aayirukkum. So you have to create a relation C1 is equal to C2, and for this parallel plate capacitor, the capacitance relation is C is equal to epsilon naught A by D. Remember this relation? So find D2 from this relation. Try it now. Any doubts, please let me know. So those who are completed, please let me know. Zero point two five. 0.25 distance. அது சென்டிமீட்டர்ல இருக்கா மில்லிமீட்டர்ல இருக்கா இதுமா? Is it centimeter or millimeter or meters? Millimeter, yes ma. Wrong. 0.25 millimeter கிடையாது. So the answer is 2.5 millimeter. Please check it. So the answer is 2.5 millimeter. 25 centimeter. 25 centimeters correct. Or 2.5 millimeter. Sorry, wrong. 25 centimeters also wrong. நீங்க வந்து யூனிட்ஸ் மிஸ்டேக்கா எடுத்திருக்கீங்க. Check it. So 25 centimeters சொல்லும்போது இது 0.25 centimeters வரும். So answer is 0.25 centimeters. Okay, millimeter வந்து 2.5 millimeters. Please check it. Units careful பண்ணுங்க நீங்க. Okay. So those who are having doubts, I'll derive it, I'll check it. So நீங்க note பண்ணிக்கோங்க. So question, they have given the data like this. So they have given two parallel plate capacitors, parallel plate air capacitors. So there are two capacitors are there like this. I'll take this one as C1, I'll take this one as C2. So in between there is an air here. So the area of the first plate A1 is equal to, it is 100 centimeter square. Remember it is 100 centimeter square, and A2 is equal to 500 centimeter square. Okay, 500 centimeter square. If they have same charge, remember if they have same charge, so that means here Q and here also Q, and if they have same potential, here V and here also V. So C1 is equal to Q by V and C2 is equal to Q by V. Both are same charges and same potential, so we can say C1 is equal to C2. So from this relation, what we need to find, இங்க வந்து distance கொடுத்திருக்காங்க D1 என்னது, it is a 0.5 mm. Remember it is in 5 mm, and we need to find the D2 here. Let's see the relationship. So formula for the capacitance C is equal to epsilon naught A by D, which is equal to epsilon naught A by D. So here it is A1, here it is D1, here it is A2, here it is D2. So if you want to convert this, or if you want to find D2 இங்க இருந்து நம்ம எப்படி find out பண்ணலாம்? So epsilon naught will get cancelled. So the relation D2 is equal to, it is A2 by A1 into D1. A2 by A1 into D1. So A2 by A1, you already know that A2 is nothing but your 500. Okay, so A1 is nothing but your 100 and centimeter square. So even if it is ratio, it will be 5 only. Into D1 another 0.5 mm. So which is equal to, so it is a 5 into 0.5 mm, which is equal to, the relation is 5 times it is 0.5. So we'll get approximately 2.5 millimeters. Okay, so இது வந்து 25 வரும், 2.5 millimeters, or we can say 0.25 centimeters. Let's take this relation ma. So this is your answer. So if you have any doubt, please let me know. Please take the question. கொஞ்சம் எல்லா பேரும் ரெஸ்பாண்ட் பண்ணா நல்லா இருக்கும் ப்ளீஸ். நான் வந்து ரொம்ப டார்ச்சர் பண்ண மாட்டேன். I'll give the relation also, but you need to practice it. That's it. Completed, sir. Okay. Others? Yes, sir. Okay, okay, okay. Good. Okay. All right. So let's see next question. We'll see the next question. So in the next question, you please try it, ma'am. So I'll display two questions. You please try it. Try first and second. First and second. First and second questions.
Sir, whether it is homework or we should do it now,
No,
sir?
no, please do it now itself. It won't
Okay,
take
sir.
much time. If it is homework, I'll let you know that.
Okay, sir.
Or first one?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So those are having doubts in the first question, please let me know. I'll explain it. Okay, good, ma'am. Over, ma. Please let me know. Got the answers? Okay, I'll do the first one. Let's check the answers. So question on the find out panna, we need to find the charge. Find the charge. Okay, so let's see that. The relation is, we know that Q is equal to CV. The relation is Q is equal to CV. So charge, first of all, we have to identify what is capacitor. Capacitor and another C is equal to 20 microfarad. Micro value on the 10 power minus 6. 20 into 10 power minus 6 farad. 20 into 10 power minus 6 farad is charged to a potential of 10 kilovolts. So voltage is the 10 kilovolts. So kilo is nothing but your 10 power 3. So let's see the relation. So Q is equal to capacitance is 20 into 10 power minus 6. Okay, into it is a 10 power 4. I'll take it as 10 power 4. 10 power 3 into 10, it is 10 power 4. So the relation will be, it is a 0.2 coulomb. Okay, so this is your charge. It is your first one. So please take the first one. Let's see the second one. Second one on the, remember it is your parallel plate capacitor. Parallel plate capacitor formula and C is equal to epsilon naught A by D. Let's see the relations for that. So for this parallel plate capacitor, we need to find the capacitance. So calculate the capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor having circular disc. Circular disc, remember circular disc. Okay, even though it is parallel plates, these are your circular disc. So radius radii is nothing but your 5 centimeters. Okay, and plate separation is distance is your 1 mm. Distance between the two plates. Circular plates, distance between the two plates is nothing but your 1 mm. So let's see the relation. C is equal to epsilon naught A divided by D, which is equal to epsilon naught A is nothing but your pi r square, the area of the plate divided by the distance between the plates. So it is epsilon naught pi, r value is nothing but your 5 centimeters. So I'll take it as 0.05 whole square divided by the distance is nothing but your 1 mm. So 1 mm is nothing but your 10 power minus 3. Okay, so and we know that epsilon value theorem, pi value theorem, r value theorem, d value theorem. Try to find the capacitor. If you're getting the value, please let me know. So this is your second one and this is your first one. Please make it fast. Some circular derivation circle. Nice, make it fast. ரொம்ப டைம் எடுக்காதீங்கம்மா இதுக்கெல்லாம். Is it over? Others? Got the answer? So answer varla nanu solunga. I'll solve it. So answer is nothing but 0.69 into 10 power minus 10 farad. Just check it, ma. Yes. Okay. Okay, good. Super, ma. Okay. So let's see. So next one. So you already done this type of problem. So we have only seen two types. One is your parallel plate on a and the next one is your isolated spherical capacitor. So there are parallel plate capacitor formula C is equal to, it is epsilon naught A divided by T. Okay, isolated spherical capacitor on the C is equal to 4 pi epsilon naught R. So these are your two capacitors. இப்போது நம்ம பார்த்தது இது ரெண்டு capacitors and we have done few problems related to this one. So next see the third one, third type of capacitor. So make a heading, third type of capacitor. So let's see the relations. Either first complete பண்ணிடும். So third type of capacitor, spherical capacitor. Third type of capacitor, spherical capacitor. Spherical capacitor. So I'm just giving you the derivation also. Please take it down. If there are doubts in that, please take it down. So let's see a spherical capacitor. So for the spherical capacitor consists of two concentric spherical shells. Remember, there are two concentric spherical shells of inner and outer radii. So they'll be having some two concentric spherical shells, inner and outer radius. Okay, inner and outer radius. Let's see the relations. So there are two concentric spherical shells like this. I assume this is your first one. This is your bigger one. And I'll take one more, which is a smaller, like this. So there are two spherical shells. I'll take this one as smaller. So there are two spherical shells like this. So here from the center, there are two different radius from the center. So to the smaller, the radius is A. From the center to the smaller, the radius is A. From the center to the larger, I'll take the radius as B. Remember it. So it is A and it is B. Okay, smaller and larger circles. So and we already know that at the center of these conductors, electric field E is equal to 0. So for the conductors, electric field E is equal to 0. So and outside of the conductor also, electric field E is equal to 0. Okay, so within the conductor only, there will be having some electric field. So so for that, what I'll do, so I'm just assuming they'll be having some charges. So for the outer spherical shell, I'm taking it as positive charge. I'll take it as positive charge. So because of the induction process, what will happen? They'll be having some negative charges present in the small concentric shells. Okay, so outer is your positive and the inner is your negative. And what will happen? Field lines travel agum. So field lines will travel from positive towards negative. So as usual. So if you see that the field lines passing through a closed surface, all field lines the area through the closed surface through the field light. Okay. When the field lines passing through the closed surface, what will happen? They'll be having some flux induced within it. The flux induced we call it as Gaussian surface, which it was getting affected. So here I'll take some dotted lines where it was getting affected. So I'll say those dotted lines are nothing but your Gaussian surface. So field lines are passing through a closed surface, which is creating flux. So the flux, the relation is nothing but your Gaussian surface. So these are your Gaussian surface having some radius. So I'll take the relation from the center to the dotted line. I'll take the radius as your smaller. Okay. So this upper plate positive, I'll take it as positive charge plate, and the lower we'll take it as a negative charge plate. And whatever the dotted lines we are discussing here, I'll take this one as a Gaussian surface. Gaussian surface. Okay. Now let's see the relations. So we know that Gauss law is nothing but your closed integral okay, E into ds is equal to q by epsilon. And we know that flux phi is equal to electric field E into your area. So area is nothing but your 4 pi area for your Gaussian surface and sonadala. It is a 4 pi r square is equal to q by epsilon r. We already know this relation. Or I can write this relation as electric field. Remember, electric field E is equal to, the relation will be electric field E is equal to q by 4 pi epsilon naught into r square. I'll take this one as first equation. Remember, the electric field, first equation. And earlier cases la vandu நம்ம potential difference, that is electric field ku potential ku vandu ஒரு relation பார்த்திருக்கோம். So electric field E is equal to, it is a dV by dr and சொல்லிட்டு நம்ம relate பண்ணிருக்கோம். So remember this relation, electric field E is equal to dV by dr, or we can say the potential gradient and சொல்லலாம் இது. Okay, and இது வந்து negative. Why negative na? If you see from the center, now the potential எப்பவுமே வந்து from the center towards the surface and சொல்லிட்டு இந்த direction இருக்கு. And electric field both are in opposite direction. Okay, and இது வந்து when you're taking a small change, instead of taking the total change, I'm taking a small change for this radius r. So the relation we can say, so the electric field, so I'll just write a point here, electric field points radially inwards. So it was pointing radially inward direction. Electric field it was inward direction, and your potential, the directions, so that is your dr vector, because both are vector quantities and in directions points your outside, that is your outwards. Okay, both are making in opposite direction, so I'm taking it as theta is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, and when we are discussing about that, we need to find the potential. So relation on the from this electric field only, we can say that V is equal to integral E into dr cos theta. So now on the starting let's when we are discussing about the scalar quantities cos theta varum solliruken, when we are discussing about the vector quantities sin theta varum solliruken. So here there are two vectors, when both are multiplying it is your dot product cos theta. See that it is cos 180, so cos 180 is equal to your minus 1. Remember, cos 180 is equal to minus 1. So from this relation we can say it is V is equal to integral electric field E into dr, it is minus, and it was varying. So எப்படி vary ஆயிட்டு இருக்குன்னா லிமிட்ஸ் எப்படி vary ஆயிட்டு இருக்குன்னா from initial point towards your final point. So எப்படி vary ஆயிட்டு இருக்கு, initial point வந்து I'll take it as A, final point is your B. So A to B vary ஆயிட்டு இருக்கு. So let's see the relations. What I'll do, I'm going to substitute the electric field in this second equation. Okay, so first in your second equation. Okay, let's see the relations. So V is equal to, it is electric field A B E into dr. Remember, A B E into dr, it is Q by epsilon naught. Okay, electric field E is equal to, it is Q by 4 pi epsilon naught r square into dr. So only r oda mattum da na integrate pandradhanaala I'll separate the terms. So Q by 4 pi epsilon naught is constant, I'll remove it. Close integral A to B, it is r power minus 2 into dr. R power minus 2 into dr. So r power minus 2 is nothing but your relation. I'll write the formula here. So it is x power n into dx is equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. The relation is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So here integral x power, that is your r power minus 2 into dr is equal to r power minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1. So which is equal to r power minus 1 divided by minus 1. So I'll write it as minus 1 by r. I'll write the relation as minus 1 by r. So I'll take the relation as, so it is a q by 4 pi epsilon naught, it is a minus 1 by r. So the limits a to b. So from this relation, I'll apply the limits here. So when you're doing the limits, so v is equal to, it is a q by 4 pi epsilon naught. First one, the upper limit and lower limit. So upper limit is nothing but your minus 1 by, I'll separate the minus, it is minus 1 by b minus 1 by a. Okay, already minus irukanaala, so q by 4 pi epsilon naught into 1 by a minus 1 by b. So it is your potential. And remember one more thing, இது potential relation. Okay, so remember one more thing, இது potential வந்து நான் find out பண்றேன். But earlier வந்து நான் theta is equal to 180 degrees ன்னு சொல்லிருக்கேன். இது வந்து relation மட்டும் தான். So when you're doing that relation, potential வந்து from the center to the surface also, surface வந்து center also, potential எப்பவுமே positive மட்டும் தான் இருக்கிறதுனால I'm neglecting the positive, negative term. I'll take only positive. So இங்க வந்து only positive மட்டும் தான் நம்ம வந்து பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம். Okay, so please take this relation. After that we'll discuss about the capacitance. எல்லாமே வந்து மிக்ஸா இருக்கு. சப்போஸ் இஃப் யூ ஹேவ் எனி டிஃபிகல்ட்டி ப்ளீஸ் லெட் மீ நோ, நான் வந்து செக்ரிகேட் பண்றேன். ஓகே, ப்ளீஸ் டேக் திஸ் ஒன். So this is your, and இது voltage மட்டும் தான் we are going to find your capacitance also. Others, is it over? Okay, good ma. Okay, so we'll take only the final relation. From that, we are going to derive it. Okay, ma'am. Good, good. So let's see the capacitance. Capacitance find out பண்ணனும்னா first on the voltage என்னது நம்ம derive பண்ணது. So V is equal to it is a Q by 4 pi epsilon naught. It is a 1 by A minus 1 by B. This is your relation. But in A, so what we need to find? We need to find the capacitor. C is equal to Q by V. Which is equal to Q by V value in V formula. It is Q by 4 pi epsilon naught into 1 by A minus 1 by B. So the Q will get cancelled, which is equal to, in our 4 pi epsilon naught will be upward direction, and here the cross multiply. So now 1 by A minus 1 by B, I can write as B minus A by AB. So AB only it will be multiplied to the numerator, and the denominator will be B minus A. So the capacitance relation is C is equal to 4 pi epsilon naught AB by B minus A1. Please take this relation. This is your capacitance. Sorry, I'm really sorry. Again, some network issues. I'm just deriving it again. Please take it down. So C is equal to Q by V. So you have to substitute the Q here. So the relation is it is a 4 pi epsilon naught. It is AB by B minus A. Okay, it is your capacitance. So V already theorem. V is equal to it is Q by relation is 4 pi epsilon naught into 1 by A minus 1 by B. So please take this one. Some network issues are delete. Take this one. Okay, others. Really sorry, ma. Again, so ரொம்ப டார்ச்சர் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன். Okay, ma. So please, is it over? Got the answer? Okay. So next, see the fourth one. So hope you have completed it. கொஞ்சம் network issues அதனால வந்து disconnect ஆயிட்டே இருக்கு continuously. So fourth one is your cylindrical capacitor. Fourth one is your cylindrical capacitor. Cylindrical capacitor. Okay, so for this cylindrical capacitor, what I'll do, I'll take a small cylinder. So remember, இதுக்கு முன்னாடி நம்ம வந்து spherical concentric circles னு சொல்லிட்டு டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணிருக்கோம். அது வந்து டாப் வியூவா நினைச்சுக்கோங்க. So whatever we are discussing here, this is your side view. Okay, ரெண்டு combinations இருக்கும். So for this also, so a cylindrical capacitor consists of two coaxial conducting cylinders. Remember, whatever the cylindrical capacitor we are discussing here, there will be having some two coaxial cylinders, okay, of inner and outer radius. So they'll be having some inner and as well as your outer radius. Let's see the relationship. Okay, so this is your inner radii. So I'll take this relation like this, and this is your outer radii. So they'll be having some concentric circles at the top. So cylinders, I'm just showing the cylinders here. Okay. So one is your inner and one is your outer radius, like this. So you just imagine, so we have seen that spherical capacitor. Okay, so that spherical capacitor is the top view of this cylindrical capacitor. Just imagine like this. So for this spherical, so for this cylindrical capacitor, so there are two radius are there. So I'll discuss about the radius from the center. Now from the center and Solomon, I'm just draw a line for the reference line from the center. Assuming this is your reference line. So the reference line is it. So from the center to this inner cylinder, I'll take it as A, and from the center to the outer cylinder, I'll take the radius as B. Okay, so for these cylinders, what will happen? They'll be having some charges. Outer cylinder, I'll take it as positive charges. I'll take the positive charges here. So on the inner cylinders, I'll take it as negative charges. Okay, so here the negative charges are there around the inner, and they'll be having some positive charges around outer. Okay, so what will happen? So they'll be having some field lines, and the field lines if they are positive towards the negative that travel. So they'll be having some field lines in all the directions from positive towards the negative. Just imagine the spherical top view. Okay, so like this, all direction there'll be having some fields. So here this outer is nothing but your positive plate, positive cylinder, and inner is nothing but your negative. From the induction process, we can say that. So it is your negative, and it is your positive. So when the field lines are entering, what will happen? They'll be having some Gauss law. So they'll be having some flux. So which was induced inside it. These are nothing but your field lines. It will try to travel in all the directions. So positive towards the negative. So for that, what will happen? They'll be having some Gaussian surface with which they'll be having some field around it. So that field I'll take it as R. From the center, the field I'll take it as R here. So these dotted lines is nothing but your Gaussian surface. Okay, the positive charge, and this is your negative charge, and this cylinder, it has its own length. Okay, so whatever the densities we are discussing here, this is because it is your linear charge, so I'll take it as lambda. Lambda is nothing but your linear charge density. I'll take it as positive lambda here, and here also it is your surface, that is your linear charge density, that is your negative lambda, because it is your negative charge. So let's see the relations. So when you're discussing about that, there is a flux phi is equal to, it is a q by epsilon naught. So flux phi is equal to, it is a q by epsilon naught, the relation q by epsilon naught. And when we are discussing about the flux, remember when we are discussing the flux, they'll be having some electric field. We know the relation electric field E into ds, that is a closed integral E into ds is equal to q by epsilon naught. But we already derived electric field E into, and the area also 2 pi r, that is a circumference, and the length of the conductor we have to consider. So it is a 2 pi r into length L is equal to, and we know that lambda is equal to q by L. Lambda is equal to q by L. R, I'll take q is equal to lambda into L. I'm going to substitute the relation lambda into L by epsilon naught. So you already discussed this one in your chapter 1 itself. Please remember those things. Electric field E is equal to lambda by 2 pi r epsilon naught. This is the Gauss law oda first application we discussed. Same relation தான். அங்கே வந்து cylindrical structure தான் நம்ம வந்து ஒரு conductor எடுத்திருக்கோம். Linear charge density. So now, so we know that potential. So V is equal to closed integral A into B E into dr, which is equal to, so now the electric field and other substitute integral A to B E is nothing but your lambda by 2 pi r epsilon naught into dr. We are going to integrate from with your r only, so I'll separate the other terms. 2 pi epsilon naught integral A to B 1 by r into dr. So 1 by r is nothing but your logarithms. So remember it. So integral 1 by r into dr, r 1 by x into dx, we call it as log x exponential. Log x, or we can say log x. Okay, long log x ன்னு சொல்றோம். Okay, remember it. Or we can say, so this one as 2.303 log base 10. Okay, log base 10. So it is your x. Okay, you can write like this. So long log ன்னு சொல்லலாம், exponential ன்னு சொல்லலாம், or else you can convert into base 10 also. Okay, so let's see the relation. So integral 1 by r into dr limits is a to b. So the relation is lambda 2 pi epsilon naught. So it is 1 by r is nothing but your log. I'll take it as log log. So I'll take it as ln. Okay, so the limits, so ln of r, the limits is a to b. So the limits will be lambda 2 pi epsilon naught. It is ln of b minus ln of a. So formula for log a minus log b is equal to log a by b. Remember this relation. So which is equal to lambda by 2 pi epsilon naught ln of b by a. Okay, so it is your potential now. Please take this one. It is your potential. So then after that, we'll try to find your capacitance. Okay, so we'll see the capacitors. So from this relation, so here In this relation, we know that V. So V is equal to it is lambda by 2 pi epsilon naught log of B by A. It is your voltage. Now we are going to find the capacitor. Capacitor C is equal to Q by V. But Q another, earlier I told you Q is equal to your lambda L. Remove the relation. So Q is equal to lambda L divided by lambda by 2 pi epsilon naught ln of B by A. So lambda will get cancelled. So the relation is 2 pi epsilon naught L divided by your ln of B by A. This is long log answer. Or I can write it as a 2 pi epsilon naught L divided by log exponential of B by A. Or I can write this relation in terms of your base 10. So it is a 2 pi epsilon naught L divided by 2.303 log B by A base 10. So this is your capacitance. When you're doing the logs, we'll see that. School lo vandu ungalku log books ella allowed nala, so you can do the problems. But when you're practicing for NEET, there are no log sheets. So when you're doing it, I'll give in between now the shortcuts ella kuduthurren. Sine functions, cube roots. Last time we discussed pannirkom square root cube root. So similar to that, I'll give some angles na kudukren, log sheets ku na kudukren shortcuts. Please take this one. This is your fourth type. H napoje kata sama. Okay, others? Richama? Okay, Roshni, Kiroshni, R3. Okay, others? Okay, so let's see some problems on these two types. So after that, we'll see the series in parallel. So I'm going problems mudichitana, it will be much better for us. So next problem. Okay, so take this question 49, question number 49, please. So read the question. So which formula we have to use? You select it. got the answer. Is that doubt irka? Yeah, got the answer. Is it over? Hello? Message ஆவது பண்ணுங்கம்மா.
வேற டவுட்ஸ் இருக்கா வேணும்?
Hello? ஜாய்ஸ் மேரி பண்ணிட்டீங்களா? டவுட் இருக்கா?
No, sir.
ஆன்சர்
Something around 8.3 into 10 to the power minus 12.
ஆமா பெரிய நம்பரா இருக்கு. ஓகே சரி 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 ஓகே ஓகேவா? ஓகே ஓகே நானே பண்றேன். ஓகே so let's see relations பார்க்கலாம் அடுத்ததா. so இங்க வந்து so they have given formula and what is the formula you are using? என்ன கெபாசிட்டர்ஸ் இது? அது ஃபர்ஸ்ட் சொல்லுங்க. என்ன டைப் கெபாசிட்டர் இது? இன்னர் ஸ்பியர் இருக்கு, அவுட்டர் ஸ்பியர் இருக்கு. ஓகே என்ன மாதிரி ஓகே what is the formula? What is the formula?
Spherical capacitor C is equal
Okay.
to 4 pi epsilon naught into AB by
B minus
B
A.
minus A.
Super ma. Let's see the relations. என்ன மாதிரி இருக்குன்னு சொல்லிட்டு. So first of all, what is inner and what is outer? Let's see. So A is your 0.03 meters. Okay, so which is your lesser. A is your lesser, and B is your greater. So from this relation, we can say A is equal to 0.03 meters. Okay, and B is equal to 0.05 meters. So this is your thing. Okay, and இங்க வந்து epsilon r value தெரியும், எல்லாமே தெரியும். Just you have to substitute. So C is equal to, the relation is, it is a 0.03, okay, into, so it is a 0.05 divided by, so 4 pi epsilon naught on the, because we know the value of k is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. I'll take the direct relation. So it is 9 into 10 power 9. So for that, so when now the reverse பண்ணும்போது what will get? So it is 9 into 10 power 9. Okay, so into 0.05 minus 0.03. Okay, this is a relation. When you solve it, you'll get the capacitor as 8.33 picofarad. 10 power minus 12 போயிட்டு இருக்கு. ஏன்னா வந்து இது 10 power 9 upper part, it is here 10 power minus 9. Okay, so it is your capacitance. What we need to find? We need to find the charge. Q is equal to CV. C is equal to 8.33 picofarad, that is your 10 power minus 12. Okay, into the charge, so voltage another 1500. 8.33 into 10 power minus 12 into 1500. When you multiply it, you'll get approx 1.25 into 10 power minus 8 coulomb. This is your capacitor, charge value. Please take this one. So எனக்கு நீங்க வந்து ஏதாவது டவுட் இருக்கு, ஏதாவது இஷ்யூ இருந்தா ப்ளீஸ் லெட் மீ நோ, அங்கேயே சொல்லிடுங்க நீங்க. ஓகே, ஸோ நீங்க சைலண்டா இருந்தா வந்து ரொம்ப இதா இருக்கும். ஓகே, ஸோ நீங்க வந்து புரியுதா இல்லையா எதுவுமே தெரியாது. இருக்க எத்தனை பேர் இருக்கீங்க? அரௌண்ட் 13 மெம்பர்ஸ் இருக்கீங்க, எல்லாமே சைலண்டா இருக்கீங்க. மெசேஜ் ஆகுது பண்றீங்கன்னா அது கிடையாது. ஓகே, எனக்கு எப்படி தெரியும்? நீங்க வந்து அப்படிதான் பண்ணிட்டே இருந்தா ஃபுல் டே எப்படியே போயிடும் நம்மளுக்கு. ரைட், ஸோ ப்ளீஸ் சால்வ், டேக் இட். we'll see the next question then. Or what about others? Yes ma'am. Okay, so we'll see the next question. So try to do this one, example 50. So those who are having doubts, please let me know. Okay, So I'll read the question. I'll give the relation also, so you can solve it. So the question is, the thickness of a air layer between two coatings of a spherical capacitor is 2 centimeters. The capacitor has the same capacitance as a sphere of 1.2 meters diameter. Find the radius of a sphere surfaces. Find the radius of its surfaces. Let's see the relations. So so they have given the spherical capacitor. The relation we know that, which is a 4 pi epsilon naught AB by B minus A, and isolated spherical capacitor. ரெண்டுமே spheres தான். ரெண்டுமே spherical தான். So those capacitors we have to equate it. So this is 4 pi epsilon naught AB by B minus A, and one more thing is 4 pi epsilon naught into R. Okay. So let's see. Given data என்னன்னு இருக்கு பார்க்கலாம். So they have given. So it is 2 centimeters. So the layer between the two coatings of the spherical capacitor, the layer between the two coatings of the spherical capacitor, it is 2 centimeters. The difference on Soromoda, it is nothing but your B minus A is 2 centimeters. Remember, B minus A is here 2 centimeters. And the same capacitance of the sphere of 1.2 meters diameter. We need to find the radius. So radius is nothing but your diameter by 2. The relation is 1.2 divided by 2, which is equal to your 60 centimeters. I'll take it as 60 centimeters. And the meter I'll write it in centimeters. So we got the B minus A, we got the R. So what we need to find? We need to find AB. So a radius on the AB taniya on the identify. For this, what I'll do? So in this relation, if you see that, so AB by 2, AB is nothing but the relation only, which is your 1.2 centimeters. AB than a total distance. So let's see that 4 pi epsilon will get cancelled. Okay, so in this relation, so we can say AB is equal to your 120. From this relation, we can say AB is equal to 120. And if you want to find individual values, AB taniya venuna, so the relation is, you can take it down. So the relation is something but your B plus A whole square. Why B plus A na? Here they have given the difference as B minus A. I'll take it as B plus A whole square. It is nothing but your B square plus A square plus 2AB varum. But here namalukku B minus A theriyum and AB theriyum. Adoda difference theriyum, adoda product theriyum. So now we are going to find your individual values. To do that, so take this relation B minus A whole square plus 4AB. So from this relation, try to find A plus B. After finding A plus B, you can AB individual. So now try to find A plus B first. A plus B value or B plus A value. So B minus A is your 2 centimeters. AB is equal to 120. Just substitute here. What is the value, ma? Please tell me. Okay, so now B plus A value, when you do the substitution, so it is a 2 square plus a 4 into 120. So 11 centimeters there. So the relation will be, it is your 484 whole square. Okay, now we have to do the square root. So already given you the square root. Eppadi solve panna na sollirken. So B plus A is equal to square root of 484. So the value is 22. If you want, you can check it. B plus A value on the 22. Now what we need to find? We need to find the AB values. So to do that AB values, now the subtract pandra illa substitution pandra idu venala pannalam. So the relations are like this. A plus B is equal to 22 and B minus A is equal to your 2. Okay, B minus A is equal to 2. So from this relation, what I'll do? So B place lo and na A substitute pandren. So B is equal to 2 plus A. B is equal to 2 plus A. I'm going to substitute this in the upper part. So it is a 2 plus A is equal to 22. So it is a 2 plus 2A is equal to 22. So from this relation, so we can say it is a 2 common எடுத்தாலும் இது வந்து 11 ஆகும். It is A is equal to 11 minus 1. So A is equal to 10 centimeters. So if you got A is equal to 10 centimeters, from this B is equal to, it is 2 plus A, it is 12 centimeters. Okay. So remember this relation, ma? Is that doubt enough? Please let me know that. It is at 12 centimeters. Please take this one. If anyone having doubts, please let me know. Over? Any doubts? நீங்க பேசவே பேசாதீங்க. போதுமா? Yes, sir. Hiroshini, yes, sir. Joyce Mary, yes, sir. Gayatri, yes, sir. Yuvraj, RT. Okay, yeah, okay, good. So let's see one more problem. Good, good, good. Okay, so let's see one more problem. So இது நீங்களே try பண்ணுங்க. Similar type தான். Okay, just try to understand the question, that's it. So, sixth question in this. Sixth question. Please do this one. So it is also spherical capacitor, has an inner sphere of radius and also outer sphere. Okay, so the relation is C is equal to, so the formula, same formula, C is equal to 4 pi epsilon naught AB by V minus C. So உங்களுக்கு வந்து இது எப்படின்னா cylindrical ன்னு சொல்லும்போது உங்களுக்கு linear ன்னு சொல்லிட்டு சொல்லுவாங்க. So if there is any linear part, then you have to specify it as your cylindrical capacitor. இல்லைன்னா you can take your spherical itself. Anyone got the answer? If you have any doubts, please let me know. I'll explain it. Okay, so நானே சொல்றேமா இது, just check the answers. So inge question la they have given the values. So charge value, I mean the radius கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. So A is equal to your 9 centimeters. A is equal to your 9 centimeters and your B is equal to your 10 centimeters. நீங்க வந்து மீட்டர்ல கன்வர்ட் பண்ணிக்கலாம், no issues. So the formula is C is equal to yaar mother completed Joyce Mary. Okay, super. So the relation, let's see that C is equal to, it is a 4 pi epsilon naught AB by B minus A. This is your relation. So what I'll do in the 4 pi epsilon naught, I'll reverse it. So the relation will be, it is 1 by 9 into 10 power 9 into AB values, just multiply it. Now on the meters la convert pandren. So it is a 0.09 into 0.1 meters divided by 0.1 minus 0.09. So when you do solve it, we'll get the capacitor value like this. It is a 0.1 into 10 power minus 9 farad. 10 power minus 9 farad, or we can say either the 10 power minus 9 is nothing but your nanofarad. 0.1 nanofarad is your relation. So this is your capacitor. Please take this one. Completed. Okay, ma. Good. Others? ஒன்றும் ப்ராப்ளம் இல்லை, நீங்க வந்து மெதுவா ட்ரை பண்ணுங்க. ஓகே, there are so many questions are there. நீங்க வந்து practice பண்ணுங்க. No issues. Right? So we'll see the series and parallel today. Okay, so just on the chinna content da, I'll give some homework for you for series and parallel. So let's see series and parallel எப்படி இருக்கு. உங்களுக்கு ஆல்ரெடி வந்து நீங்க ஸ்கூல்ல படிச்சிருக்கீங்க series and parallel the relations. Okay. Okay, so make a heading. Combination of capacitors in series and parallel. Combination of capacitors in series and parallel. So let's see the relations. Combination of capacitors in the series and parallel. Okay, now, so what I'll do, I'll take capacitors. For an example, I'll take 3 capacitors in series. Let's see. You already know about the capacitors, right? So capacitor symbol on the 2 parallel plates. One is your positive plate, one is your negative plate. I'm just taking 3 capacitors in series connection like this. Series connection and the charges are same here. So I'll take this one as C1, I'll take this one as C2, I'll take this one as C3. Okay, 3 capacitors are in series. I'm connecting a voltage. And remember one more thing, current and solomate, we'll discuss about your charges alone. Charge on the solomate. So when you're discussing about the dynamic motion, that is your current electricity, that I will discuss about the charge currents. Okay. Now here, if you see that I'm applying a voltage here. So these 3 are in series connection. The charges, whatever the charges it was flowing through it will be same. So series connection and solomate, the voltage will be dividing. So I'll take it as V1, I'll take it as V2, and I'll take it as V3. So we know the relation V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. And we know the relation Q is equal to CV. Okay, so now from this relation, what we need to find? We need to find your voltages. Let's see the relations. Okay, so from this relation, V is equal to Q by C. Remember, V is equal to Q by C from this relation. V is equal to Q by C. So when you're discussing with V is equal to Q by C, it is the Q on the total charge. You can say it as total charge and C on the total. Okay, so I'll take it as Q total divided by C total. Q total divided by C total. So C total is nothing but your equivalent capacitance total. Okay, same thing for V1. V1 is equal to, I'll take it as Q1 by C1, and V2 is equal to your Q2 by C2. and V3 is equal to Q3 by C3. So when I substitute the relation, so it is a Q1 by C1 plus Q2 by C2 plus Q3 by C3. But remember I told you, so charges are all flowing same because this is in series connection. So charges same cancel. So the relation for the series connection, 1 by C total or 1 by C equivalent is equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3. Okay, this is your relation for your series connection. நீங்க வந்து ரெசிஸ்டருக்கு நீங்க வந்து தனியா படிச்சிருப்பீங்க. ரெசிஸ்டர் கிளாஸ் 10th இருக்கு. ரெசிஸ்டர்ஸ் சொல்லும்போது the formula is for series R equivalent is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. Okay, it is purely opposite to your resistor. Okay, so it is for your series connection. Remember, it is your series connection. Let's see for your parallel. So parallel எப்படி இருக்குன்னு பார்க்கலாம். Okay, so for parallel, so the voltage is same but the charges are different. The voltage is same but the charges are different. So it is a C1, I'll take this one as C2, I'll take this one as C3. Okay, so here there'll be having some voltage across it, but parallel connection irukadanaala voltage same ah irukum. You can specify it, voltage will be same but the charges are different. I'll take this Q, I'll take this one as Q1, I'll take this one as Q2, I'll take this one as Q3. So this is your parallel connection. Just understand it, it is your parallel connection. Let's just see the relations. So Q is equal to, we know that Q is equal to Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3 and Q is equal to CV. So here the voltage same are. So formula another Q is equal to CV, the relation. So it is a CV, C equivalent and V equivalent is equal to C1 V1 plus C2 V2 plus C3 V3. Because of the parallel connection, voltages are same. So C equivalent for parallel is C1 plus C2 plus C3. So take this relation. So this is your series and parallel. So what we'll do a problem on this one and after that I'll give some homework to you. Okay, so note பண்ணிக்கோங்க. So if you have any doubts, please let me know. Okay, ma. Others? Is it over? Super, ma. Good. So let's see a small problem on this. நீங்களே பண்ணிடலாம் இது பார்க்கலாம். So I'll give a small circuit. சின்ன circuit நான் கொடுக்கிறேன். So there are 3 capacitors are there like this. There are 3 capacitors are there. And remember, நீங்க வந்து series and parallel நீங்க வந்து solve பண்ணும்போது just remember one thing. அதோட unit வந்து சேமா இருக்கணும். அதோட prefixes வந்து சேமா இருக்கணும். Prefixesனா என்ன மீனிங்னா, இப்போ இதுக்கு முன்னாடி நீங்க வந்து சென்டிமீட்டர், மீட்டர் ன்னு சொல்றீங்களா, எல்லா யூனிட்ஸும் சேமா இருக்கும். Farad தான். But அதோட prefixes வந்து சேமா இருக்கும். Let's see. So இது C1 and இது C2, இது C3. So this is your voltage. I'll take the voltage as your 100 volts. So what you need to find? So I need to find the charges. Q வந்து நான் find out பண்ணணும். Question வந்து we need to find the charge. Capacitance value I'll give it as 0.5 microfarad, 0.2 microfarad, and C3 I'll take it as 0.1 microfarad. Okay, there are 3 capacitors are in series. Okay, so what we need to find? We need to find the charge Q. What is the formula? First of all, நீங்க என்ன பண்ணனும்னா இந்த மூணு வந்து equivalent capacitance-ல கன்வர்ட் பண்ணனும். There is an equivalent circuit. Equivalent circuit-ல வந்து ஒரே ஒரு capacitor இருக்கும், ஒரு voltage இருக்கும், and for this there is a charge. So formula வந்து Q is equal to CV. And the C தான் C equivalent. So first of all, we need to find the C equivalent. To find the C equivalent, series connection என்ன formula? So 1 by C equivalent is equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3. And remember, இதுல வந்து எல்லா units in the sense and the prefixes micro value. Micro என்னன்னா 10 power minus 6. Okay, so எல்லாமே சேமா இருக்கிறதுனால no need to convert. If there is any difference like micro கொடுத்திருக்கு இல்ல sometimes nano farad கொடுக்குவாங்க. Nano na 10 power minus 9 farad. Okay, milli na 10 power minus 3 farad. Remember these cases. So depends upon this one. So you have to convert the relations. So இங்க எல்லாமே சேமா இருக்கிறதுனால C equivalent சேமா தான் இருக்கும். So the relation is 1 by 0.5 plus 1 by 0.2 plus 1 by 0.1. So try to find the C equivalent for this. And after that, try to find this Q. Q is equal to C equivalent into voltage. Try to find ma. Do it. Just a simple relation. Then you have the power terms convert pannalam. Illana direct you can do the LCM part. Do it. Do it slowly. So those who are solving it, I'll give them answers. So without doubt in the please let me know. Okay. So now உங்களுக்கு வந்து டிவைட் பண்ணி சொல்லிடுறேன். So 1 divided by 0.5. So இது மாதிரி நான் வந்து சால்வ் பண்ணிக்கிறேன். Suppose இது 2 plus so 1 divided by 0.2. So it is 5 plus and 1 divided by it is a 0.1. So it is 10. So நான் இப்படி சால்வ் பண்ணிக்கிறேன். So இது எனக்கு easy. So if you see that in the relation okay, in the relation so 5 plus 6, 5, 6, 7 plus 10, it is a 17. So 1 by C equivalent is equal to 17. So எனக்கு என்ன C equivalent வேணும். C equivalent is equal to 1 divided by 17. Remember it. C equivalent is equal to 1 divided by 17. You can keep it in fractions itself. Decimal convert பண்ணாதீங்க. Okay. So நம்ம இப்போதான் start பண்றோம். Don't convert into decimals. Okay. So it is 1 by 17. This is your 1 by 17. Now, so we know the V. So C equivalent is equal to 1 by 17 and V is equal to 100. So the answer is 100 divided by 17. If you can able to solve it, and fractions lo vechkonga. And the idoda unit on the micro. Remember, capacitance on the microfarad nana charge on the micro coulomb. This is your value. So now the decimal convert panda. I'm just keeping like in fractions itself. Please take it. So I'll send you some questions to you for your practice. Please do it. Doubt in you can ask me. Please take the question. Please, sorry, complete it. So homework in Akudukra. So enough of the class. Any doubts for today's class? So the 4 types of capacitors are important. 4 types of capacitors are important. So those 4 types of capacitors are, it is nothing but your isolated. Okay, and it is nothing but your spherical, okay, and it is your parallel plate and is your cylindrical. So these type of 4 capacitors are important. Please don't mix paname, try to practice those things. Okay, right? So I'll send you some questions. Now send pandren, no issues. Okay ma, so any doubts? Jasmary, Yuvraj, okay. Right ma, good. So we'll see next week now. Okay, and now on the bio class on the I just shared it. Bio class I just shared it. Please go through it, and today's class also I'll share it. Okay, right now. So we'll see next week. Bye.